Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Keep your car's leather seats luxurious with these top 5 leather care kits. Number 1. Chemical Guys Complete Leather Care Kit. This all-in-one kit is a favorite for its pH-balanced cleaner and vitamin E-rich conditioner. The cleaner lifts dirt and oils without damaging texture, while the conditioner restores softness and protects against UV rays. It includes a brush and microfiber cloths for easy application, leaving seats soft and smelling fresh. Number 2. Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit. Leather Honey's non-toxic cleaner and premium conditioner excel at reviving leather. The cleaner gently removes grime, and the conditioner nourishes to prevent cracking. Ideal for all leather types, it's perfect for restoring older seats to a matte finish, with 2 applicator cloths included. Number 3. Autoglym Leather Clean and Protect Complete Kit. Autoglym's pH-neutral kit offers a deep cleaning spray and nourishing balm. It tackles tough stains while keeping leather supple and crack-free. With a synthetic chamois and applicator, it ensures a natural, matte finish and a rich leather scent, perfect for regular maintenance. Number 4. Lexol Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. Affordable yet effective, Lexol's 2-step kit includes a deep cleaner and conditioner with natural oils. It lifts dirt easily and restores softness, though the applicator sponges may wear out. Great for budget-conscious users, it's ideal for monthly care to maintain leather's luster. Number 5. Gyeon Quartz Leather Kit. Gyeon's kit shines for synthetic and vegan leather, with a cleaner that lifts dirt and a conditioner that softens. It includes a brush for seams and a microfiber towel for buffing, delivering a factory-fresh look. Best for light-colored leather, it ensures durability and a soft touch. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.